Ireland. Did I put a name on this side? It's Eddie. Echo, Delta Yankee. Eddie, yourself?
Yes, I got you now, Eddie. This is Drew. I think we've talked before. You're 22, as I remember.
Get out to radio this last while, but I know it's going to be up and down, but we'll keep talking while it keeps open, right?
Copy on that. Yeah, it's been a rough run. I had a few into the UK a week ago, and nothing much on the UK or Ireland, but today it seems to be starting to kick around and making me happy. You have a nice signal as always, Eddie, and your audio is right there.
It's just something you just try to sit on like to listen to. It's just absolutely perfect. We don't have the greatest working conditions in the world. We're not going to go into it, but anyway, we're very glad to be Superstar 3900, and we're going to have to get something a little bit bigger if these conditions keep opening up, right?
Roger on that, my friend. I've been running my Superstar 3900. Right now I'm on my Anytone, but I've been running that past few days, and I'll be back on it today. I'm the original owner from 1992. I love mine. It still works great, and it's apparent yours is working very well also, Gren.
Well, I like to eat 3900. I've had it 43 years, we've had it 43 years this year, so I still doesn't too much coke, it's just about 20 watts or so. Your accent does most of the work, don't you?
Roger on that. Roger, my friend. Yeah, mine's been running really well. I'll probably turn it on this afternoon, but we're getting some nicer weather and trying to work outside. We've had a lot of rain here, and it's amazing to hear it start coming back. I mean, a lot of people are worried the skip wasn't going to bounce. I wasn't, but it's nice to get a contact with you again.
We like talking to you, Paul, but sometimes the big things just doesn't help at all. You have to have 1,000 watts or something like that. These 90s, if you had 50 watts or 100 watts, it does the job. But this, it's good to hear you guys back on again. I heard a week up the other night, late at night, you get a podcast show. Now you'll start looping up all day, right you?
Roger, I can't wait either. It's again, you're doing well. The space noise, a little static. It's drifting the skip, but you're still in there, hanging in there. I'm running my camera, so CB Radio Ghost Talk. That's CB Radio Ghost Talk on YouTube, and we can put you on that. I've got the camera running. I'll have that up today.
Very good. Thank you very much. But tell me, what is the antenna you're using? I can't remember. What's the antenna?
Oh, right now I'm actually in the middle of switching antennas around. But right now I'm still running my great old Siro Astro plane. QSL. Yeah, it's just a matter of finding the right antenna for the situation. I also run a Star Duster Siro, and I also I just bought another one, Vector 4000 Siro, and I'm going to be putting one of them on the house, the Siro 4000. I've got one on my shed too.
Forgot to put a screw in the side of it. Till it was at night, and something wrong with the guys of those mountains is broken down. It's all down folks, so I never really got blind to put this back up. But probably come the winter time, it's not to do with it. It's not good weather in June. We had a July and August was the most
QSL, Ed. QSL, Eddie. We're starting to lose our skip. I'm starting to get overpowered by static. But yeah, it's a matter of getting the right thing on the roof or on the pole. And my elevation is my opening because we're in the mountains. It's open to the horizons. And I'm at 1,260 feet above sea level.
That's what Steve uses. They always say height is height is high. Here's some other stations coming in that are calling you. I'm not going to hold it. The price is the 9202. I hope to talk to you at least every other day or something. I'm going to learn to get both with you how you get up on that
Roger on that, my friend. Roger on that. Yeah, it's just great to get in contact with you again. I'm sure we'll have many of these. Again, I am recording in CB Radio Ghost Talk, and it'll be up today. And you're making one heck of a nice trip, and it's a hard skip run today, my friend. So your system is putting out well. I hear no one but you. Copy on that. I'm starting to lose you again, friend, but copy. I'm going to sit on the side for a while, and let's see if this improves. Northern Ireland. 22 Northern Ireland. Always a pleasure to meet up with you on the radio, Eddie. And this is Drew, New York 202, USA. On the side, my friend. Bye-bye.